My name is Jason Ferguson, Chief of Fire EMS with Botetourt County and Emergency Services Coordinator. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about our response to COVID-19 and what that looks like here in Botetourt County. Over the past several weeks, we've been working with our local government, along with our public school system and our local law enforcement to ensure that we're talking and communicating and working off the same page as it relates to how we react and respond to COVID-19 in our community. Additionally, we've stood up our Emergency Operations Center. Monday through Friday, it's staffed with personnel, and on nights and weekends, it's monitored virtually to make sure that we're working with our local agencies to meet the needs and put in requests to the state for items that are needed to respond and react to this pandemic. Additionally, we've been engaged with our regional and state partners with the Virginia Department of Emergency Management and the Virginia Department of Health to ensure that we're doing what's appropriate and what's factual and responsible to meet the needs and respond to and address patients that may be COVID-19 related. Some important pieces of information that we just want to reinforce. Off of the governor's recent executive order in reference to staying at home, we want to reinforce that. If you do not need to travel, if you do not need to be out, don't. Stay at home. Additionally, if you are essential personnel and you're supposed to report for work and you're sick, again, stay at home. The more things that we can do to lessen the spread and flatten the curve is what's most important to our community to stop the spread of this virus. Additionally, we want to make sure people are practicing social distancing. When you are out, you need to make sure you're a minimum of 6 feet apart. If that means that you're out for daily activity and exercise, while that's encouraged, please make sure that you're not engaged in any multi-person sports or activities that would put you closer together. Additionally, social gatherings, while limited to no more than 10, we'd ask that you just not have social gatherings if at all possible. These are difficult times, they're uncharted waters, and we want to make sure that everyone remains as safe as possible. Again, do everything you can to reduce the spread. Finally, we just wanted to point you to our resources for updated information. We're trying our best to daily update our websites and social media to provide you accurate and timely information and guidance. You can visit www.botetourtva.gov. In the quick links, there's a section for COVID-19 information. That page not only has local information from our office and other county departments, but also links to the Virginia Department of Health and the CDC with factual and scientific information to help stop the spread. Lastly, we have our social media page that we're trying to update and keep active so that you have the information you need at your fingertips at a moment's notice. We'd like to thank you for listening to this message and hopefully practicing all the key tips and points that are out there to help reduce the spread, and we'll continue to provide you updates as they become available and are important to provide information to you in the community. Thank you for your time.